Saleng Sangma ubade MP Katura but away na kinong ilam ka party Congress haka Jylla Meghalaya ulapan pau ke Sngewkhia Halor ki khubor ki balapan mi hakaba la persang ban pen ki imbiang ki Kam Lehnoh haka ne ka Jylla habakran shikalat pathai khubor Saleng Sangma ula ong bakum ki ne ki kam ki bu jingma ka bakraw ya ka shong suk shong san haka ne ka Jylla jungi ula kentu ki tanat pahara ban long ki ba husiar bat ula ban juru ya ka jingdon kam ban weng ya ki daw ten rai ki bala penlong ki Samla ban Jympyniasnoh ki Kam Lehnoh Saleng Sangma ula ong shushu bat ula kerpat nong yalam shnong bat sang bhalang bandon ka benta ka bakraw bat ka barat ba ban khanglat ki Samla ki bala sha yalam bakala bat ban ngam ha ka jing shate ha ki riu persha ka imlang ka salang hapo ka Jylla.
This reviving of militants, our youth joining militants, it is not just a concern of me, it's a concern of every citizens who are living in the state of Meghalaya. Now, after very long year, our people started having the happy state of mind. Okay? Who has seen those horrors, the horrified scene, killing before anybody, killing anybody, stealing anybody, before their families, before their children, those horrific days were over. But again, if the government is not doing anything, as I was already expressing during that press meeting itself, pushing back our children, all those unemployed youths, and bringing back this drug scenario to the state itself, then it's the fault of the government itself. They're talking about the big things that is happening, entrepreneurship, this and that. It's all a gimmick only. Okay? Otherwise, why would our own children go back, to this jungle thing? Why they would trade? Unnecessary. Why they will leave? Are they being dropped out? Are they being mistreated? Was there any kind of a area where they were not heard about their issues pertaining to any kind of a local issues or pertaining to any kind of individual issues? It seems like this present government is, it's like showmanship only.